We're going to move on now to Chapter 4. Chapter 4, Writing Style and Grammar. Please, everyone, this is a chapter you need to take your time with, and you will want to revisit, maybe not when you're writing a draft, but before you submit any paper. Please take another glance through this particular chapter and really give yourself the opportunity to make sure that your writing is in alignment with graduate level expectations. So there's a couple specific things I want to point out. First of all, section 4.4, where they talk about the importance, and again, my world famous highlights, they talk about the importance of conciseness and clarity. As someone who has been in this world for a very long time, I can tell you this is indeed a section everybody needs to revisit. Related to that, on the very next page, the next section, 4.5, wordiness and redundancy. There is a very fine line between being descriptive and padding a paper. And in the academic world, that difference really does stand out. So please do. The examples that they give are exactly the kinds of things that your faculty have seen over the years. I'm telling you, APA, they did a really nice job updating this version. It makes sense. It's good information. It's here to help and support you. There's one other particular thing that's worth you taking the moment to really focus in on in Chapter 4, and it's the entire section on pronouns. Why? Well, first of all, people get confused. I'm supposed to write this in third person. Depends on the paper. If it's a personal reflection paper, if it's a certain type of research, such as an ethnography, where the researcher is actually part of the whole of the work that is being done and reported out, then no, you don't write in third person. So it gets very confusing. Please go over the section on pronouns in Chapter 4 from first person versus third person to the editorial use of we to the singular use of they. I know it gets confusing, but you've got it here for you in Chapter 4.